Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Revolut Staking, a feature that allows you to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Here, you will see the option to stake your coins. Staking is the process of holding and validating transactions on a blockchain network. And in return, you receive a reward in the form of additional cryptocurrency. To begin staking, select the cryptocurrency you want to stake, such as Ethereum or Tezos, and click on the stake option. You will then be presented with the terms and conditions of staking, including the minimum staking period and the estimated reward rate. Next, review the terms and conditions carefully and confirm that you want to proceed with staking. The minimum staking period varies depending on the cryptocurrency, but it is typically between 28 and 42 days. Once you have confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be locked for the specified period, during which time you will not be able to sell or transfer it. In return, you will start earning rewards, which will be added to your Revolut account at the end of the staking period. It is essential to note that staking carries some risks, such as price volatility and the potential for slashing, which is a penalty for validating invalid transactions. However, Revolut has implemented measures to minimize these risks, such as partnering with reputable validators and implementing robust security protocols. To maximize your staking rewards, it is recommended that you stake for the maximum period allowed and hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency. Additionally, you can diversify your staking portfolio by staking multiple cryptocurrencies, which can help to reduce your exposure to market volatility. In conclusion, Revolut Staking is a simple and secure way to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. By following these steps and best practices, you can start staking your cryptocurrency and earning passive income. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and stay informed about market conditions to maximize your staking rewards.